Hello, this is Steven from unlockresellers.com, and in this video I'll show you the best Samsung FRP tool. And this is not just my opinion, some surveys were conducted among GSM technicians and this software came as the best. In a few seconds you'll see why is that. First of all, it's very simple to make an account. Download the tool from the link we have in the service description on our website, open it, put your email and the password and press register. That's it, registration done. For doing the Samsung Google account is pretty easy also. The Samsung modem should show in the device manager, like you see here, or the phone will not be detected when you press Unlock FRP. If the phone is not detected by the software, it probably means Samsung modem is not showing in device manager. So probably you should install the drivers. I'm saying probably because it might be because of other stuff also, like a bad USB port or a bad USB cable. 27 seconds, wow, that was fast. Pretty easy to order either. From our website, go to Server Services, write the first letters from the service name in the search box, in the right search box, and then for the username, just write the email you registered earlier on the software directly, and in a few minutes you'll have the credits, and in just 27 seconds more, you'll have the job done. Hope you like the software, and for the best and trusted unlock solution specially made for GSM professional, please register on unlockresellers.com.